Are you looking for a big family home in one of the most desirable coastal locations? Hi, I'm Abhishek Deesawala from Acton Belle Property Mandurah, and welcome to 32 Marlin Way, Singleton. Built by renowned builder Dale Alcock Homes, this quality residence is just moments from the stunning Golden Bay Foreshore, the beach, and Singleton Primary School. Designed for growing families, you will love the spacious open-plan living and dining area, a stunning modern kitchen at the heart of the home, a dedicated media room for movie nights, and a private study that's perfect for working from home. Step outside and enjoy the large paved alfresco, plus the convenience of side access with room to securely park your boat, caravan, and trailer. Set a generous 601 square meter block. This is more than just a home. It is a lifestyle opportunity offering space, quality, and coastal living at its finest. I'm not selling your home. I'm selling your property with the personality. Only Abhishek Deesawala. Call me today.